Now for our feature story of the day. Crypto analyst Credible Crypto predicts Bitcoin breaking out on a parabolic rally within the next 7 to 10 days, achieving the six-figure coveted $100,000 milestone. So let's break this baby down. As you can see in the headline, crypto strategist predicts big Bitcoin breakout in 7 to 10 days. Here's the target. Yeah, let's just start straight up with the tweet. He wrote, 56,000, 20% below when this was tweeted, and the bottom of the brutal correction. If you're reading this now, you made it. That's right, you made it through. Downside now limited to 60,000, which would be invalidation, and realistically, no lower than 62 to 63, if that, with a high likelihood that this level gets front run as well. I give it about 7 to 10 days before we go absolutely giga-send BTC with a target of $100,000 plus. And this was off the back of his previous tweet from April 11th, where he wrote, next big move will be brutal, in my opinion, but you get past that and you'll get to enjoy up only, the likes of which you haven't seen in over 3 years. I have my plan ready. Now I just need to execute when the time is right. Amen to that. And a quick shout out to Chandy. We appreciate the super. Thanks for your contribution and supporting the show. She wrote, keep it up. Greatly appreciate it, family. So yeah, the analyst known for making contrarian crypto calls thinks that the King Crypto is days away from igniting a big burst to the upside. And are you ready for a big burst to the upside? Holla in that chat, family. The crypto trader says Bitcoin may fall as low as 62 Gs before triggering another parabolic rally to new highs. Again, quoting him here, downside now limited to 60,000 and realistically no lower than 62, 63, if that, with a high likelihood that this level gets front run as well. I give it about 7 to 10 days before we go absolutely giga-send Bitcoin with a target of 100,000 plus. Let me know if you agree with this sentiment, and how would that impact your life? Hypothetically speaking, family, let's hypothetically say within the next week or two, Bitcoin realistically actually hits that target and is trading at 100,000 per coin. Let me know in that live chat. So according to Credible, the Bitcoin rally will drive crypto traders into unloading their altcoin holdings out of the fear of being left out. That's when that Bitcoin dominance skyrockets, family. Quoting them here, Bitcoin prints an absolute chad of an impulse candle, which is so big and so strong that the collective attention of the space shifts to Bitcoin for a period of time, and liquidity begins to flow out of the 10 million other alts, of which Doge is one, and into Bitcoin as it begins to go vertical. That's typically what happens every cycle, family. And the Bitcoin Dom goes crazy. In the near term, Credible believes the Bitcoin will witness one more rally of above 70,000 per coin prior to a correction towards 64,000 and then a rally to new all-time highs of 100,000 above infinity and beyond. Manifesting. So there you have it, family. 2 bullish back-to-back targets for you. We just discussed Bitcoin breaking out to 6 figures within the next 10 days. And we also previously shared with you Plan B, created the Bitcoin stock to flow model, projecting Bitcoin hitting 800,000 per coin next year in 2025 as the cycle peak. Let me know if you agree or disagree with these incredible analysts. And I'm going to be reading as many of your comments out loud as I can. Reminder, I personally feel the Bitcoin target for this cycle peak, which I believe most likely will occur next year in 2025, will be anywhere from a low of 222,000 per Bitcoin to a high of 750,000. So it's pretty much right in alignment with Plan B of the stock to flow model. But I want to know your thoughts, family. I'm going to read these out loud. After $100,000, I can add cheese to my burgers. Amen, Knoxville. What do you know? You can now eat cheeseburgers. It's a beautiful thing. I got 175 acres. I just want a cave. Wow, that's a lot of acreage, family. Respect. Now, 100,000 means I can buy the Yugo car. I'm not familiar with that car, but more than likely you can buy that car, family. I got you. I always want to see a crazy green candle, but I still like buying at 69. More than 420. Well, it seems those are your favorite numbers, 69 and 420. So happy 420 and have some fun in your next 69. Just saying. Installing a cup holder in my car at $100,000. Let's go, Bobby. We need 100,000 in case Saudi Arabia will now sell oil for Bitcoin at some point. Jacuzzi on deck while I watch the sun go behind the mountains. There you go. Nothing more beautiful than a beautiful sunset behind the mountains, family. Good stuff. What are your thoughts on these particular targets, family? Let me know. You know what I mean? Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Where's the Bitcoin price likely heading for the cycle peak? Where's the high going to be? Do you think we hit 150 Gs this particular year, 2024, as Plan B is predicting? Let me know. 800 Gs next year? Holla. Yugo was like 2,000 back in the early 80s. Well, now you should be able to buy it for 20 bucks. Take advantage of it. It's a double word. Shout out Bitcoin Stew. Is the screen blurry or do I need to get some glasses? Hopefully you just need some glasses. Be able to catch you live again. It feels good, Satwise. Welcome back, brother. How you been? It's been a minute. I've been streaming live every day at 4 o'clock. We've been pretty persistent with the schedule. All this week, Monday through Friday, we're going to be 4 p.m. Eastern. Then Saturday, it's going to be an earlier stream. It's when I pick up my daughter again. And then we'll be back to 4 p.m. again. So mostly throughout the summer, like 99% of the time, we'll be streaming at 4 p.m. Eastern, just FYI. 300,000. Let's go. Looks like Nipsey wants to go. Don't even say that word. Unfair. 150,000 this week, baby. Imagine that. Imagine that. Leaving a 2,000-mile road trip. Hope it's 100,000 when I get back. You're not alone there, yo. SoFi ready for a big move for the upside, says Michael Anthony. Word up. Welcome, Michael Anthony. Aloha, Satwise. We've been missing you. Robert Levi, sell your old junk, throw it in, buy a new ish, then DCA until your stuff is junk. Probably 4 years. Work for me. There's no wrong way to stack the biddies, is my conclusion. I hope nobody will buy my biddies when I offer them for $800,000. Word.
AC, cause I'm blowing it up. Short squeeze, more please, yeah, it's going to pump. They drop foot, but it's still not slowing it up.
I will finally be a 100% nerd. Well, I beg to differ. If you're here on the stream right now, watching this, you're officially a nerd. Bitcoin nerd, that is. And take that as a compliment. We're all Bitcoin nerds in this together. Here to take over the world.